Ina off to safari, kusga.
Off to
Safari. Bye-bye.
giraffe.
Safari.
Pig, mga friendly
Kana
na
asa ka masulod po diyan ba?
Mama
Giraffe.
Mia.
Dito. I like it.
Asa daw ang?
Asa isod ang mga butan parang now. Giraffe. Refrigerator.
Pila ko ma-discount ra kat eh.
Oh, nalapas ni sa stupid.
Giraffe. Saan may isang?
Oh, lunay naglupad nga bird. Yay, secure the spot.
Okay, thank you, Lord. It was a battlefield. Hi, we are eating beef steak. Beef steak. Oh, kailan? Nag-vlog eh.
Sige, gipakita ang singgit.
Fine though. Then is the spoon for ketchup in a five.
Ah.
See how talented parrots are? They can mimic sounds so well because their brains are super smart. 20 centimeters. They can be found in the skies of Australia. Enjoy the show and enjoy the rest of the
The birds went down. Oh, nice. Yeah. And the birds went up.
So, matanamig mga tigers.
What color is the tiger?
It's so big. Wow.
Wow.
This is the deer, and as you can see sa physical features, kay ilang ears kay pointed backwards, which signifies nga they came from South Asia. And then you can see the colors sa isa. Differences sa pack, so most likely kay kuan siya.
Alpha male? Or di?
Not necessarily, marag different lang ang origins siya. Marag, I think kuan
Sa
siya.
asa man siyang origin?
I think sa North Asia.
Dark brown and
Same. Dwarf.
Liz, are you excited to see the giraffe?
Ang lagi carry. Gusto kayo nga naon di ka pag-carry yang? Walk ta like that. Yan.
Well, what's the info on these giraffes?
So giraffe, the word giraffe comes from the Greek word gira, meaning long neck. So, mo nang giraffe sila kay no Manila. Ang reason nga naa sila yung mga inana nga spots nga brown naman siya og hexagon kay tungod or pentagon kay tungod mangguna sa hibernation nila sa Africa kay before kay sa Antarctica dyan na sila nag-live.
Antarctica.
Oh, then ning shift sila to Africa kay tungod sa Great Migration.
Ayaw ba? Ayaw na iboy anak. Anak na sa wul anak.
Gibutang naman ang sticker ni Muyang sa kuan mirror.
Away sila, away.
Ha?
Away sila.
Wala.
Wala ra. Friends sila.
Sorry.
Siya may tabo sa Lion of Tiger combine niya.
Merlion.
Katul. Lion Tiger katul.
Doon, iungot dyan sa doon.
Picture lang mo. Sabang
Iungot dyan sa sir. Be your guide for this ride. So, for your safety and comfort, please remain seated while the truck is moving.
Ano pagtawag niyo sa lion?
Whistle, sir. Whistle?
Yung tawag na meow meow.
Sometimes they're meow meow. They're all male siblings and 8 years old po. And also, they can rest, sit, and sleep for about 16 to 20 hours in a day because lions are nocturnal. They are more active during the night. Natural behavior nila mga wala sila ito.
Oh, nasa looy.
So, nangihiyang oh. Wow!
Cheers.
Ready?
On your mark.
Nag-wait ra na sila. Oh my god.
Mugi ay na.
Who's the winner?
Woo! Kaon siya manok ko, chicken.
Ano niya? Mr. Lolo.
Hi!
Hey! Oh,
Kay Otter!
this way. Sige, go.
Oh, ni-hide siya.
Nausi nung
Ala, ninguwi na siya. See, nigawas na iyang ulo. There. Tortoise. Nice job.
So funny.
Nice job. I am reminded of Lola Tips.
Lola Toots. Oh, Lola Toots.
Oh,
Dirita, no?
bless her soul.